Hi guys, what's up? Okay, I'm kind of like keeping my volume low right now because my mom is in the hall and I am like secretly recording this. So the thing is, it's Dashera today, and people normally get a lot of things on Dashera, like new things, invest into new things, gadgets, gold. But we are gonna get car today, and my mom doesn't have any clue about this. My dad actually booked the entire thing, and I have also seen the car myself. So me and my dad are involved in this. My mom has no clue. So yeah, I'm gonna record this entire thing and her reaction. I'm super excited about that. And also their anniversary is coming soon. So this is like kind of like a pre-anniversary gift for my mom from my dad. So yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna book the cab now and go there. And yeah, it's gonna be exciting. I don't know how my mom will react, so I'm just like super excited about that now. Mommy, do you have any knowledge where we are going? Any idea?
I think you are taking me somewhere out
Where?
to purchase something.
Okay. This is so exciting, Mike. So we just came to the showroom. So I think now she can get the idea. Did you get the idea of vehicle because we are here? Okay, yeah. So isn't it obvious? We paperwork and everything is left, so that's gonna happen. That will take like 20-25 minutes, I think, and after that we'll get the car.
How you feel?
You people are not just surprising me.
Sometimes surprise is necessary.
But I like the surprise.
In life, surprise is necessary.
Now my brother is also your cousin brother. So
Surprise is necessary.
yeah.
So all are surprising me.
This is your pre-wedding anniversary gift. Okay.
Pre-wedding anniversary.
Pre-wedding, like
Pre-wedding.
pre वही बोलते हैं ना pre-wedding. हाँ. Like you getting it before your anniversary. So,
So say that way.
Yeah.
Pre-anniversary. Pre-wedding. That was 29 years back.
yeah. So we'll get done with the formalities and then I'll show you guys the car, and also my mom will see like the reaction and the car both. How do you feel?
Pleasant, good surprise for me.
So everything is done now. We're gonna take the car home. This is so nice. Hopefully, it's automatic. My dad is used to driving like manual, so hopefully कुछ problem ना हो घर पहुंचने तक.
So now, Om Bhurbhuvasvam Tastaiduvarnyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayata Tirupati Nivasha Venkatramana
Govinda, Govinda. Hi guys, so yeah, finally, I'm so sorry for delaying this vlog. But I just wanted to come in and answer some questions that you guys might have about this car that we just got. Is it my personal car? No, it's not gonna be my personal car. It's a family car. We all paid for it. We all are gonna use it. Secondly, do you know how to drive? I do know how to drive. I got my driving license in 2014. Now I suck at like manual driving, like gear shifting and all that. So we got this automatic. I requested my dad to get automatic car so that I can try to drive at least. So yeah, we'll learn. It's okay. एंड लर्न नहीं मतलब आता है ठीक है बट मेरे को बस परफेक्ट करना है प्लस इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू ड्राइव इन मुंबई ट्रैफिक लाइक लेट्स नॉट इवन गो देयर सो या दैट इज देयर एंड व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस विल यू हैव I don't know, but if you have any further, you can comment down and let me know. I'll answer them for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this vlog and don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And उस दिन हम घर पे जाके कुछ नहीं किए हैं, सिर्फ लंच किए हैं and then मैं काम पे चली गई थी. काम पे मतलब basically studio आ गई थी. So yeah, but yeah, hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in my next vlog now. Bye.